So good morning, children. Good morning to all of you and welcome in your today's English class. Today we will revise English practice book from page number 1. Okay. We already finished our half yearly syllabus. Okay. So we just revise. If you are not completed till, then you complete with me. If you completed, then please match the answer, correct, recheck your book. Okay. So first check कर लेते हैं सभी and please switch on your camera. सारे बच्चे अपने कैमरा ऑन करेंगे. बेटा हार्दिक राज टर्न योर कैमरा. आप टर्न कीजिए अपने कैमरे को बिकॉज आप उल्टे दिखाई दे रहे हैं मेरे को. प्लीज डोंट शो मी इंग्लिश बुक. ज्योति प्रैक्टिस बुक. आदित्य कुमार विंडो नहीं देखना है बेटा मेरे को. अगर आप अपना फेस नहीं दिखाना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे अपनी आंसर शीट दिखाइए. नाउ इट्स प्राणवी राज, सक्षम, रंजीत झा, आदित्य प्रकाश, श्रेष्ठ राज, रिद्धिमा सिन्हा, अंकित राज, यश कुमार, काव्या रॉय, अश्विनी, तपस्या and Saksham Kumar. Please switch on your cameras. Ankit, Abhishatya Ranjan, Utkarsh and Pranvi Raj, please switch on your camera. I need not to be repeat. Please switch on your camera. You should must switch on your camera. आपकी कैमरा ऑफ नहीं होने चाहिए. You all are good people and you have to do it. Okay. Now here is only 4 children in my class whose camera is not on till the now. So please switch on your camera. I am saying please switch on your camera. So on, in, under, by, on, in, under, by. Where is the mask? It's on. So we are going to revise on, in, under, by. Okay. Open page number 3 and 4. I already show you page number 1, 2, 3 and now it's a page number 4, 5. So, मैम ने क्या बोला? On, in, under, by. Now, see the picture. Okay? Here is few pictures you can see here easily. Okay? I can see here and hope you all are. ये है pictures. Okay? And here is a sentence like the cup is in the box. Here is 2 letters written. Okay. In every sentence, you can see here that on, in, under, in, and on, under. So what do you have to write? Now, see the picture and think where is. So, on, in, under, by, where is the man? Where is the man? The man is under the tree. So, under. Take under. So, on, in, under, by, where is the dog? Dog is on the cot. So, what we take? On. It's not in. Okay. Now, on, in, under, by, where is the man? The man is under the car. The man is in the car. Yes, the man is in the car. Okay, now another one. On, in, under, by, where is the cat? The cat is under the chair or on the chair? No, the cat is under the chair. So take the under. Now, on page number 5, you can see here is a picture and a lots of picture you can see here. So, okay, in the blue box, you can see here is lots of picture and here you have also write on, in, under, by. Maza aa raha hai? You all are enjoying? Okay, so let's start. We are enjoying, we are revising our practice book, page number 5. So now, what? On, in, under, by. Where is the ball? The ball is on the mat, in the mat, or under the mat. The ball is on the mat. Okay. So you can see here on. Tick on. Okay. The jug is in the table, on the table. It's on the table. The cap is on the bag, in the bag. It's on the bag. Now, the cat is under the cup or in the cup. The cat is in the tub. And now the last one, the rat is on the table or in the table. The rat is no in, no on. The rat is under the table. So take it all. You all please take it. Be fast. Hurry up. I will count just 1, 2, 3, and it's a 4, and it's a 5. No. So now I clear this page and go on the next page. You will also come with me. Come, page number 4 and 5. Now page number 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Okay. Okay. The page on the page number 6 and 7, we will learn this and that. What we learn? We learn this and that. Okay. So, if the thing is near, then it's this. If the thing is far for us, so it's that. So, the N is near me. You can see behind letters, the N is near me. But if I am here, then P is far me. Okay. So it's near and far. But here is first sentence. We have to check it. Okay. So page number, it's a page number 6. On page number 6, question. Look at the pictures carefully and put the tick in front of the right sentence. जो राइट सेंटेंस है उसके सामने हमें क्या करना है? टिक करना है. तो चलिए हम लोग टिक कर लेते हैं. ओके. चलिए. हो गया. Okay. So now the cup is, now you can see here the pictures as the same earlier. जैसे हमने pictures को देखा ना, यहाँ पर picture है and hope आप सभी इस pictures को देख रहे हैं, है ना? सारे बच्चे picture देख रहे हैं. अभी आपको क्या करना है? पिक्चर्स देखना है और इस पिक्चर्स को देख करके हमें सेंटेंस को रीड करना है और फिर टिक करना है. The cup is under the table. Yes or no? No, it's not under the table. So I will not take it. The rat is under the mat. No, I will not take. The ball is on the chair. No, I will not take it. The bird is in the nest. Yes, the bird is in the nest. So I will take this column. Okay. Now, the fish is in the water. Yes, the fish is in the water. So I also take it. Okay. Now, the boy is on the tree. I will not take. The water is on the jug. No. The vase is on the box. Yes, the vase is on the box. So this is also complete. It's page number 6. Page number 6 भी हमारा complete हो गया. अभी ये पेज नंबर 7 करेंगे. अभी किसकी टर्न है? पेज नंबर 7 करने की हमें. So पेज नंबर 7 क्या है? Fill in the blanks and write this or that. The tree is. So children, you can see here. Here is the boy, and first you have to observe all the pictures. Need to observe the pictures in the column. And now I have to write. So the tree है वो बच्चे से दूर है. The tree is far. So I will write that. I will write that. Now in the next picture you can see the bench is near the boy. So I will write here this. In this column I will write this. Now the jug is near the girl. वो गर्ल्स के पास है ना, गर्ल के पास है तो वो क्या करेगी, वहां पे होगा this. Okay, now in the next picture you can see the chair is far. It's a far, दूर है. So I will write here that. Now the pencil is in the hand of a girl. So I will write this. Now in the last picture here is a bird and it's a so far than a boy. So I will write here that. Okay. Hope children, we will finish this page also. We will complete page number 7 also. We will revise. Done. है ना, हमने ये सारा कर लिया पेज नंबर 7 तक. And hope you all will complete your page number 7 till the page number 7. Now थोड़ा सा समय तो कम है पर हम लोग कोशिश कर सकते हैं पेज नंबर 8 के लिए. So page number 8, what is on this page? Here is, we have to write the sentence. We have to write the whole sentence in this page, on this page, and use this and that. So this is a hat. This is a hut. This is a hut. So it's your question. Now the second one. That is kite. Third, that is hill. Now, this sentence is This is cat. Next one. That is cloud. That is cloud. Okay, and the last one is, it's a this this is jeep. Okay, so children, hope you also complete the page number 8. पेज नंबर 8 आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। इली वर्मा आप क्या कर रही हैं? सो रही है, पढ़ रही हैं? क्या हो गया भाई? कुशाल के सिर पे क्या हो गया? कुशाल, अगर आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया तो आंसर मिलाइए अपना। आप में से जितने भी बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, वो क्या करेगा? वो मैम के साथ कंप्लीट करेगा। Okay, now on another page, wheel. Green. और ऊपर में सभी दिया हुआ है स्पेलिंग बेटा, टिथ। देन pill. Okay, pill, and then beep. Then sleep. Seed. Jeep. Bee. Tree. And this is heel. Okay, so children, you can see here page number 9, and I will complete to, sorry, we all completed page number 1 to 9. पेज नंबर 1 से लेकर 9 तक हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। सो आप में से जितने भी बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने काम नहीं किया था, वो पेज नंबर 9 तक रिवाइज भी कर लिए होंगे और चेक भी कर लिए होंगे।